Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play World Cup in EA FC 26. So let's get started. First of all, open EA Sports FC 26 on your console or PC and go to the tournament section. Now here you will see different types of tournaments, but you will notice that there is no official Men's International World Cup option available. You may only see options like the Women's International Cup. So because of that, we will create our own custom World Cup tournament. Now select the custom tournament option. After opening it, choose the format as group stage plus knockout. Next, set the number of teams. You can choose 32 teams if you want a realistic World Cup experience, or 64 teams if you want a bigger tournament. Now this step is very important. You will see an option called Auto-Fill Teams. Turn it on. This will automatically add teams for you so you don't have to manually select each one. Now enable advanced settings so you can access more customization options. Here you can set team types, ratings range, you can keep it on all, stadium selection for finals, number of substitutes, and other tournament settings based on your preference. After adjusting everything, press confirm. Now select your team, for example, Portugal, and continue. Now the game will automatically generate all teams into groups for your custom World Cup tournament. You might notice that some teams like Brazil may be missing depending on the game version or licensing. In that case, you can replace other clubs with custom squads to recreate those national teams. Once everything is set, your custom World Cup tournament will be created successfully. Now you can start playing matches, go through group stages, and reach the knockout rounds just like a real World Cup experience. And that's it. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, then subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any new updates.